In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a button in an Odoo website step by step using the Odoo demo environment so you can follow along without affecting a live site. This is perfect if you're building a business website in Odoo and want to add a call to action button like Contact Us, Learn More, or Get a Quote. We'll keep everything simple and beginner friendly. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Odoo and website tutorials. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to Google. In the search bar, type Odoo Demo and press Enter. From the search results, click on the official Odoo Demo link. This demo environment allows you to explore Odoo's website features without installing anything locally. Once the demo loads, you'll see a sample Odoo database with multiple apps already installed. Now, from the top menu, make sure you are inside the website app. If the website is not already open, click on the website icon to enter the website builder. This is where you can visually edit pages, add sections, and insert buttons without writing code. Next, navigate to the Contact Us page. You can usually find this in the main menu of the demo website. Click on Contact Us and wait for the page to fully load. This page is a great example because it already has structured content, and adding a button here makes a lot of sense for user interaction. Once you're on the Contact Us page, look for the Edit button at the top right of the screen and click it. This switches the website into edit mode. In edit mode, you can click directly on elements on the page and customize them in real time. Now, decide where you want to add your button. You can add it inside an existing section or create a new section. On the left-hand panel, you'll see different building blocks. Click on Blocks, then scroll until you find the button block or a section that contains buttons. Drag and drop the button block into the desired area on your page. After placing the button, click directly on it to customize it. You can change the button text to something like Contact Us, Get in Touch, or Learn More. Then set the button action. You can link it to another page on your website, an external URL, an email address, or even a specific section on the same page. Next, adjust the button style. From the customization options, you can change the color, size, alignment, and shape of the button. Make sure the button stands out visually so visitors are encouraged to click it. This is especially important for call to action buttons. Once you're happy with how the button looks and works, click Save at the top right of the screen. This publishes your changes and makes the button live on the website. Finally, preview the page as a visitor and test the button to ensure it works correctly. Click the button and confirm it redirects to the correct page or performs the intended action. And that's it! You've successfully added a button to an Odoo website using the built-in website builder. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Odoo tutorials and website tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.